Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not seen any of my videos before, this is Queenies Empire and I teach all about beads, hair and lots and lots of DIY. Okay, today we're going to be making a beaded bag using sugar bead size 10, fishing line 0.70 and of course your scissors to cut off your fishing line. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cut reasonable amount of fishing line. Okay, if you are a beginner, please do not cut something too long, just go for something really short and then keep adding over time. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cut the desired length of fishing line, which I am obviously doing here, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to add 3 bead balls. This is 1 and this is 2 and then this is 3 and then this is the 4th bead to cross. Okay, so I'm going to be working with a looping method which makes bags actually firmer. Okay, so what I'll do here is to fold back the fishing line back into the 3rd bead like so. Okay, and then pass my fishing line through that fishing line that is folded. Okay, instead of crisscrossing, that's what I'm going to do, and then pull both sides, put the looped part of the fishing line and the other side I pass through, and then you have the same thing when you do like a normal crisscross. This just helps the bag to be firmer. So 1 on the left side and then 1 on the right side and then 1 to cross, which obviously we're going to be using a looping method, which is I'm folding back the fishing line into the beaded ball and then the other fishing line through that folded fishing line and then I'm pulling that. Okay, so that's how you do the looping method. Like I said, it makes your bag much firmer. Okay, and you can see that that's basically the result. It doesn't come loose. Okay, so you want to repeat this on and on. So we're going to be working with a width of 15, a height of 11. So I'm going to work with start with the width now. So you're going to repeat this 15 times. If you're not so good with matting, you know, that's basically the basics of beaded bag. You have to know how to mat a bag. If you do not know how to do that, I'm going to drop another link that explains how to mat a bag more detailedly. Okay, so that would help you, especially if you are starting now. I'm going to drop in the link to card what's the beaded card holder that explains it more. Okay, using sugar bead too. So yeah, like I said, a width of 15. This is 15 now, and this is, I'm working on the 3rd line, and then the height is going to be 11. Okay, for one side, so that's 11 on both sides, and then the middle, which is the side, is going to be 5. Okay, so that's 11, 5, 11. Under will be 5. Okay, so yeah, we're going to repeat this. You see, I'm still using the looping method, on and on. Okay, so you've gotten to your desired length. Yes, so yeah, basically this is one side done already. Okay, this is one side. Yeah, so altogether it's going to be 27. That's 11 plus 11 plus 5. Okay, so this is, I think this is about 9 rows. So, and this is another, I think this is halfway through. This should be 11 rows, and then obviously I'm going to go on and on till I've gotten to the desired length. And voila, we've gotten our desired length. Okay, so this is 27, I believe. So that's 11 plus 5 plus 11. Okay, so now I folded that side at 11. Okay, just like so. You want to make sure it's perfectly straight. Okay, that's 11 if you count it, and then the middle 5. Okay, 5. There we have it. That's 5. Okay, I wanted to make sure that the other side was 11 too, and then you want to fold at that side. Okay, yep, like so. So you have 11, 5, 11. Okay, this is how the bag is going to look, and then we're going to join the sides. Okay, don't forget, I'm going to drop in a much easier tutorial for you. I'm going to drop in a different link for a more explanatory tutorial, okay, for beginners. So this is basically not really for beginners. Those who get it. Okay, so yeah, so pass your fishing line through 2 beads and then that same fishing line, you pass in one bead and then one to cross, but we're going to be using the looping method. So yes, you put in your bead and then you loop that and then you pull. Okay, you're going to repeat that so you've closed up the whole side of the bag. Okay, close up the whole side of the bag. So please stay tuned and enjoy. And yeah, we are done joining the two sides of the bag. I actually misplaced that particular clip that explains the detailed joining of the side of the bag, but don't worry, like I said, I'm going to be linking another tutorial that would help you understand how to join the sides of the bag. Okay, so yeah, I'm done here and I am going to be attaching the beaded bag handle. Okay, so you can see that it looks very firm and very stiff. Okay, so yes, for the handle is going to be 18. You're going to mat 2 rows 18 and I'm going to join it with the size 8 of the beaded ball of the bead. We call it beans here, beans beaded ball, plastic pearl, let's say plastic pearl. You're going to be joining it in the middle. Okay, so it's going to be 3 by 4. So I'm going to drop another link to explain how to do that 3 by 4. Okay, so all I need to do is just to fold and then join the middle side. You can also use your sugar bead, it's fine, but I just felt I needed something a little bit flat that will make the inside flat because the sugar bead is quite spiky. Okay, so yeah, and yes, you have your beautiful beaded bag. If you want to also know how to make the beaded bow, I'm also going to be dropping another link for that. Okay, so yes, this is how the beautiful results. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop something in the comments, ask your questions, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye.